Hi, Merry Christmas. Since one of my most popular videos on YouTube is me changing the wick on an old school kerosene heater, I thought I'd show you trick number 2 on how to fuel it up without making a mess and being lazy. So come check it out. So as you can see, my garage is cleared out and I've got my car pulled in because I'm installing a dash cam in it this morning. 15 degrees outside and I don't want to freeze. So last night I pulled the cars out, turned my kerosene heater on, and this morning it's a nice 65 degrees in here. So I'll show you the secret to my trick here. I turned my kerosene jug into a gas station. This is a little electric pump built for pumping fuel that runs on 4 AA batteries. It has automatic shutoff and comes with a wide range of adapters. It's very simple. So the secret to using one of these is to keep the cord taut. Don't want any kinks or anything. Keep it nice and straight, to the best of your ability. And I'll show you why that's important in a minute. There we go, nice and straight. So what I do is I put it in. There's a little lip on this particular one that keeps you from putting it in all the way. And I hit the on button. And there goes my gas. Or in this case, kerosene. This one's nice because it has automatic shut off, so once the kerosene reaches the tip, it shuts the pump off. But here's the trick. So I really don't like the smell of kerosene when it's unburnt, so I always put a towel underneath it, like such. But here's the real trick. You have to get all the kerosene to drain out of this hose. This is not a fast process. I just slowly work it. I want to get as much out of this hose as possible. So now my hose is empty. Pull it all the way up. Just keep slowly shaking it. And ta-da! No spills. At this point, I can just coil it back up. Put it back on my little gas station. Always wipe it off for next time and close it back up. And you're good to go. And now my kerosene heater is showing full. I probably could get a little bit more in here if I pulled the hose out a little bit more, but I've learned over the years that that's a good way to spill. So I always underfill it a little bit and I never have any trouble. So I hope that was a quick and easy little short for you guys. It works every time. Those batteries last 1 to 2 years. I use this kerosene heater about a half a dozen times throughout the winter for projects and stuff like this. Those heaters used, I paid $100 for it. It's just not worth a lot of money to me to put a real garage heater in because I just don't do a lot of projects out here in the winter. I got a whole nother shop in my basement. I just play down there all winter. Anyways, stay warm this winter and Merry Christmas.